Boom, clot. Yeah, you left the key. She left her key. Boom, clot. Be a shot of fire, beeps. Blood clot. There's the car. That's the car they were chasing. Yeah, that's the car they were chasing right there. It's crazy out here, bro. It's crazy. Man, watch a lot of people out here. Man, we got a crazy fucking shootout right now, man. Cops every fucking way. Cops everywhere, man. It's what everybody. They got one of the boys over there. A lot of people coming out and shit, bro. Man, like, yo, it was fucking crazy, bro. It was fucking crazy. They got one of them over there in the bush. Yo, you know what they say in the bush, bro?
What, dead?
Dead or something? He's over there. That's it. Yeah, the whole place full. Place full, people. Place full. Place full. That's it. SWAT everywhere. The SWAT is out. SWAT team is there. Another backup unit is driving. A lot of cops, man. More cops. More cops approaching. Non-friend security measures. I'm gonna take him out. They're gonna take him the fuck out.